Investing can often feel like stepping into a vast, intricate labyrinth, can't it? You've got jargon flying at you from every angle, complex theories that sound more like riddles than guidance, and an overwhelming array of choices that can leave even the most seasoned among us scratching our heads. But what if I told you there's a treasure trove of wisdom just waiting to guide you through this maze? Today, we're diving into a curated list of 50 widely acclaimed books on investments, covering everything from value investing to behavioral economics, personal finance, and portfolio management. So, grab a cup of coffee, settle in, and let's explore the world of investing together. Let's kick things off with the classics of value investing. If you've ever heard the name Benjamin Graham, you know you're in the presence of a giant. His seminal work, The Intelligent Investor, is often hailed as the Bible of value investing. Graham teaches us the importance of looking beyond the noise of the market and focusing on the intrinsic value of a company. It's about buying stocks when they're undervalued and having the patience to hold on to them until their true value is realized. Imagine being able to sift through all the chaos and find those hidden gems that others overlook. Pair that with Security Analysis, co-authored with David Dodd, and you've got a foundational understanding of how to assess a company's worth. It's like having a map that shows you where the treasure lies. Then there's Philip A. Fisher's Common Stocks and Uncommon Profits. Fisher introduces us to the qualitative side of investing, emphasizing the importance of understanding a company's management and competitive advantages. It's not just about the numbers, it's about the people behind those numbers. And if you're looking for a more modern twist, Joel Greenblatt's You Can Be a Stock Market Genius and The Little Book That Beats the Market provide simple yet effective strategies for retail investors. Greenblatt's approach is refreshing, showing that you don't need a Wall Street background to succeed in the stock market. It's like he's saying, hey, you can do this too. Deed. Now let's pivot to behavioral finance, a fascinating field that combines psychology and economics. Daniel Kahneman's Thinking Fast and Slow is a must-read, exploring the dual systems of thought that drive our decision-making. Kahneman's insights into cognitive biases can help you understand why you might make irrational choices when it comes to money. Ever bought something on a whim and later regretted it? Yeah, we've all been there. Richard Thaler, another key figure in this realm, co-authored Nudge, a book that reveals how small changes in the way choices are presented can significantly impact our decisions. It's like creating an environment that nudges us toward better financial choices without us even realizing it. Morgan Housel's The Psychology of Money is another gem that delves into the emotional aspects of finance. Housel's storytelling makes complex ideas relatable, reminding us that our relationship with money is often shaped by our experiences and emotions. It's a gentle reminder that investing isn't just about numbers and charts, it's about our lives and the stories we tell ourselves. And if you want to understand why people often behave irrationally in financial markets, Richard Thaler's Misbehaving is an engaging narrative that chronicles the evolution of behavioral economics. It's like a behind-the-scenes look at why we do what we do with our money. So, whether you're just starting your investing journey or looking to deepen your understanding, these books offer invaluable insights that can help you navigate the labyrinth of investing. They're not just words on a page, they're keys to unlocking your potential as an investor. So, let's embrace this journey together, one page at a time, and discover the treasures that await us in the world of investing.